Auto Obsessed here. Ceramic spray detailers, who are they for? What do they do? And when you're shopping for one, how do you pick a winner? In this video, we'll talk about how we as professional detailers evaluate ceramic spray detailers. Let's talk about why these products exist first. Spray detailer products or quick detailers are meant to provide a quick method to touch up the car and add some nice gloss. You spray onto the vehicle, wipe off, and that's it. Quick detailers are a great way to clean off some light dust or fingerprints, and they look nice. There's added gloss on the paint. They're simple, they're fast, inexpensive. Anybody can use them. The downside to quick detailers is that they don't last very long. They may only last car wash to car wash or after the first time it rains. So people are buying quick detailers, but they want the gloss and protection to last longer. There's a market opportunity here. With the advent of ceramic nanotechnology, detailing manufacturers started introducing ceramic spray detailers. These are products that offer the same benefit as traditional quick detailers: gloss enhancing shine, slick hydrophobic water beading, some light cleaning power, maybe some UV protection. But with ceramic nanoparticles in the formula, the durability can go from a couple days up to a few months. So ceramic spray detailers are a very desirable product for every vehicle owner because they're simple and effective, and they stay effective for 2 or 3 months before fading away. All that being said, the market is full of ceramic spray detailers, including this one from Obsessed. This is the Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer. So what criteria do we use when evaluating one of these products? And how does the Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer perform in these categories? First off, looks. Does the spray detailer make the paint look clean and glossy? Simplicity. How involved and time-consuming is the application? Ideally, it should be spray on and wipe off. Streaking. Does the application leave streaks or require special buffing or leveling before it looks good? Durability. How long is the product going to perform? How many weeks or months does it last before it fades away and you're back to bare paint? Hydrophobicity. Does it add good water beading hydrophobic protection? Is it compatible with wax sealants and ceramic coatings? Is it an effective topper to apply over a wax sealant or coating that's already on the paint? Lastly but not least is price. How much do you have to pay to get it? And do you get good value for what you spend? This brings us to the Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer. So features and benefits on this product. The product is intended for anyone that has a vehicle and for any and all skill levels. This product can be applied to any vehicle regardless if it has a wax, sealant, ceramic coating, or even if the vehicle has had nothing at all applied to the paint. It can be applied to most of the surfaces on the exterior of the vehicle, and it can even be used on the exterior of glass to add water beading and hydrophobic properties. The gloss is extreme, the final look is amazing, it's ultra glossy and very, very slippery. It'll protect from UV light and harsh road contaminants. This has a blend of 3 specialized coatings. Most companies only use 1, and this product also has a catalyst which is not used by the competition. This is to improve adhesion and hydrophobic capabilities. This product was tested for over 2.5 years. It went through a number of seasons, various weather conditions, and extensive testing in our facility. We work very closely with the chemists and make as many revisions as needed. And no product will bear the Obsessed name until the entire team gives the product full marks in every category. If it's not perfect, it's not Obsessed. As for price point, this is one of the lowest priced products in this category. It is 2, 3, and up to 5 times cheaper than comparable ceramic detailers. This product is only $17 Canadian, which is approximately $13 US. The Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer is currently sold in 2 sizes. You have the 16-ounce bottle with a premium Obsessed sprayer, and then you have the gallon refill bottle. We also may be introducing a 5-gallon size in the future as well. Directions on how to use Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer. 2 easy steps. It's actually so very easy to use. Simply spray it on and wipe it off. We use 2 application methods. Method 1 is spray a small amount of the Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer onto the panel, then wipe off with a soft paint-safe microfiber towel. Method 2, spray a small amount onto a paint-safe microfiber towel, and then use the towel to apply and buff off. Notes and best practices. To get the maximum durability, allow the product to fully cure for 6 hours before getting it wet. And like any products, you should avoid using in direct sunlight or when the paint is hot. If you run into smearing, it could be because you use too much product or the towel has become saturated. You can use a fresh towel, spray a small amount of product to remove any streaks or smears. As mentioned, this product can be used with waxes, sealants, and coatings, but if you're using a high-end boutique wax, so like a multi-$100 wax, then the Obsessed paint finish would be more suitable for that application. Other uses. This product can be used as a drying aid as well. So for those that are looking for a product to apply while drying the car, which can also add some additional protection, Obsessed Ceramic can be used for this purpose. The Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer is also an effective mild to medium water spot remover. We use this product to remove water spots that are not removed when washing and drying the car, and you need a better solution to try before going to more aggressive methods such as water spot remover acids or machine polishing. Final thoughts. The response and feedback on this product has been absolutely incredible. The initial supply estimations were crushed, and we sold out very quickly after we first launched the product in August of 2022. If you're looking for a spectacular product that is practically magic in a bottle, this would be a perfect product to add to your detailing products, and we're sure you'll get all kinds of positive comments on your vehicle after you use it. The Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer, along with a full line of Obsessed products, can be found in-store or online at autoobsessed.com. We've also added the links for the products below to make it easier for you. Let us know what your thoughts are on the Obsessed Ceramic Spray Detailer, and if you have any questions on this product, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. Please help us bring more detailing content to you by giving us a like, leaving us a comment below, sharing the video, and subscribing to our channel. And thank you for watching.